Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I'm your host, FD465.tv, with yet another crypto portfolio update. Like we promised right at the beginning, we will continue updating you on a weekly basis until we exit these portfolios, hopefully at the top of the current bull run. That's it, guys. 15K to 600K portfolio challenge, a portfolio we've put together from across 6 blockchains or ecosystems in Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot, Cosmos ecosystem, Avalaunch, and the mixed portfolio where anything goes, as well as the Avalaunch ecosystem. And from those 6 categories or ecosystems or blockchains, we have selected some projects that we have invested a certain amount of money to see if we can manage this portfolio once fully invested from 15K all the way up to $600,000. So what are those projects? If you are new, you may want to know, but I may have to hold you for a little bit because we want to do some housekeeping. So the information contained within this video, guys, is not financial advice. If you do require financial advice, please approach someone who's trying to give you financial advice. The information contained within this video is just for educational as well as entertainment purposes. For those from the UK, this content is not intended for UK audiences because the UK authorities are trying to protect you just in case you end up losing your funds. And if you're from the rest of the world, guys, welcome to SageFab.tv, a channel that gives you proper alpha educational content that teaches you how to do your own research and be independent in your investment journey within this crypto ecosystem. We don't give you the fish, we try and teach you how to fish and give you the fishing line. That's our approach. So let's start with the Ethereum blockchain, where we hold positions in VulcanForged, PerpetualProtocol, and AEVO, formerly RBN or Ribbon Finance. VulcanForged first. POR token this week is priced at $2.41. Portfolio is now valued at $248.32. Week on week, we are down 3.9%, and overall, we are down 31.6%. PerpetualProtocol and the PEP token is up next and is priced at 50.7 cents. Portfolio this week is valued at $507.28, and week on week, we are down 4.1%. Overall, we are up 19.3%. AEVO, formerly RBN, and this week is priced at 34 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $377.34, and week on week we are down 1.2%. Overall, we are up 43%. So our Ethereum basket this week is valued at $1,132.94, but we are down on last week by 3.1%. Overall, though, we are still up 9.1%. Moving on to Cardano blockchain, where we hold positions in Cardano's ADA, World Mobile Token, Lenify, SundaeSwap, and Wing Riders. Let's start with Cardano's native coin, which is ADA. It's priced at 32.4 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $388.30. Week on week, we are down 4.9%. Overall, we are still up 12.8%. While mobile tokens, WMT token is up next. This week is priced at 19.2 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $385.01. And week on week, we are down 4.2%. Overall, we are still up 47%. Lenify is up next, and this week is priced at 52 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $628.72. Week on week, we are down 7.7%. Overall, we are down 5.8%. SundaeSwap is up next, and the Sunday token this week is priced at 0.6 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $602.70, and week on week, we are actually up 10.4%. Overall, we are down 25.6%. Finally, for Cardano, it's Wing Riders WRT token, which is priced at 1.6 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $176.29, and week on week, we are down 3.6%. Overall, we are down 63%. So our Cardano basket this week is valued at $2,181.02. We are down on last week by 1.8%. Overall, we are down 13.8%. Polkadot is up next, and we hold positions in Bit.Country Pioneer or MNET, RMRK.app, Moonbeam Network, and NEARProtocol, starting with Nearcoin for Bit.Country Pioneer. This week it's priced at 3.1 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $25.30, and week on week we are up 13.5%. Overall, though, we are still down 89.7%. RMRK.app and the RMRK token is up next. This week it's priced at 37.5 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $139.85, and week on week we are down 7%. Overall, we are down 81.4%. Moonbeam Network and the Glimmer token is up next. This week is priced at 14.9 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $299.39. Week on week we are down 7.6%, and overall we are down 59.4%. Kill Protocol and the Kill token is up next. This week it's priced at 14 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $147.03, and week on week we are down 2.6%. Overall, we are down 63.4%. So our Dotsama basket this week is down once again. It's valued at $611.57. Week on week we are down on last week by 5.6%. Overall, we are now down 71%. So without any doubt, the Dotsama basket is the worst performing position across our 15K to 600k portfolio challenge. Moving on to Cosmos, where we hold positions in EVMOS, Injective, Osmosis, Persistence, and Axelar. Let's start with EVMOS, which is priced at 2 cents. Portfolio this week is valued at $22.85. Week on week, we are down a mega 29.4%. Overall, we are down 95.3%. So EVMOS heading down to zero. As you can see, Injective is up next, and the ING coin this week is priced at $18.08. Portfolio is now valued at $1,808.35. Week on week, we are up 12.5%. Overall, we are up 333%. Osmosis Osmo coin is up next. This week it's priced at 36.1 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $364.45. And week on week, we are down 4.4%. Overall, we are down 26.9%. Persistence and the XPRT coin is up next. This week it's priced at 20.8 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $215.40. And week on week, we are down 2.8%. Overall, we are down 9.9%. Finally, for Cosmos, it's Axelar and the AXL coin, which is priced at 1.2 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $534.19. And week on week, we are down 4.9%. Overall, we are up 23.6%. So our Cosmos basket this week is valued at $2,945.24, which means it's up on last week by 5.1%. Overall, we are still up 34.5%. So our Cosmos basket still holding strong. Moving on to the mixed portfolio, where anything goes, we hold positions in NEARProtocol, Pythnetwork, Beam, and Shrapnel. Let's start with NEARProtocol, and the NEAR coin this week is priced at $3.96. Portfolio is now valued at $223.52, and week on week we are up 2%. Overall, we are still up 19.1%. Pythnetwork is up next, and the Pyth coin this week is priced at 27.3 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $601.25, and week on week we are down 4.2%. Overall, we are down 28.8%. It's Beam Network up next, and Beam is priced at 1.2 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $392.22, and week on week we are down 2.0%. Overall, we are down 28.6%. Finally, for the next portfolio is Shrapnel and the Shrap coin, which is priced at 2.8 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $106.27, and week on week we are down 28.3%. Overall, we are down 74.1%. And we did add a slight position to our Shrapnel coin. I think we added some tokens worth about $62. It wasn't a lot, but it took our holdings up to over 3,000 tokens. Moving on to Avalaunch blockchain, where we hold positions in Avalaunch, Traderjoexyz, and Avalaunch. So let's start with Avalanche's AVAX. This week is priced at $20.05. Portfolio is now valued at $1,047.91, and week on week we are down 7.7%. Overall, we are up 43.6%. Traderjoexyz and the JOE token is up next, and it's priced at 27.6 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $330.58. Week on week, we are down 6%. Overall, we are down 32.6%. Finally, for Avalaunch, it's Avalaunch and Zava coin or token, which is priced at 36.4 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $914.40. And week on week, we are down 7.4%. Overall, we are up 89%. So that concludes our Avalaunch basket, which is this week valued at $2,292.89. And we are down on last week by 7.4%. Overall, though, we are still up 35.6%. So our overall 15k to 600k portfolio challenge is now valued at $10,486.92 for this week, and it's down on last week by 1.3%. Overall, we are now down 8.7%. So in terms of net profits, we are slightly down by about 2.63% or $301.63. But as you can see, things within this ecosystem do move quite quickly. So before you know it, I'm hoping we're back in the green again. It's going to turn around. Any thoughts, guys, on some of the projects you think we should be investing in? We still have that 23% left. Like I said in last week's video, we are looking for some newer projects to add to this portfolio. We are not just going to enter into the old projects unless we see a good value. Having said that, we are still making moves, especially within my private portfolio. I'm still making some huge moves in some of the projects I've been looking at that have been on my wish list for a while. We told you I went into Celestia and I went into other projects as well. Remark, I'm still piling in because I think it's good value for money at this price. Any thoughts, guys? Let us know in the comment section. Until the next one, your host, FD465.tv, signing out for now. Bye.